Actually, I was thinking that I am already live, but I was talking to myself. So today is January 13, which is Tuesday. I was saying that the DAX yesterday was very strong, and I was trying to short it, but I was beheaded. So let's have a look today. Actually, I'm short from this level. I'm expecting some pullback. Just to this level in here, around 25,340. I had another position in gold, but it doesn't look so good. It was actually in profit, around $30. But now I feel that it's pulling back. I'm expecting as well visit to this low here, because the pattern of like head and shoulders is very clear. But let's see. Let's give it time. I think our DAX is breaking out. And the gold is bouncing. But I'm not expecting gold actually to rally today. Need to have some break. But we really don't know. Position is not big. It's just 0.05. I think we'll be stopped out from the gold after it was like $30 profit, which is okay. So we just maybe wait for another push to the downside, and I will enter again in case. And the big play will be, yeah, the gold was stopped out. Not big a loss. I might just revisit here, so let me just put alert here in case I'm not watching the. Okay, the alert is there. The DAX is trying to push up. Hopefully there will be no buyer below this red candle. You see some first push to the downside, and I don't mind where price will go after that. Have a look at the closing yesterday. Actually, we closed around 25,430, and the price after like overnight did not go anywhere. The price was ranging in around 50 points. We saw some sell-off on the open, so hopefully it will continue. I am targeting here around 60 points to the downside. Actually, the gold is still on its same spot. And if the gold is not going high, if it's not going high fast, means will go down fast. So I will be big short in gold today, in case we revisit this low here. Yesterday the rally was like 237 points. I think my take profit will be somehow between 50 and 61 Fibonacci level. This. Okay, let's go back. Hello, buddy. How are you? Hope you had some good sleep. Okay, the second 5-minute closes, but there was not really any significant pullback. So let's see if we can see some push to the downside. I checked the news today. Actually, there is no high impact news. Maybe by 6 p.m. something about the pound. But we still have 2 hours for that. We will not be here. Yeah, gold is crawling a little bit up. Let's look at the FTSE. See, it's no, this is not FTSE. Why? Okay, yeah, here we go. I think he's still trying to make a new all-time high. The price is struggling to go through the overnight low. And actually, one thing makes me take this short in this move before the open. You just sneak above the range for maybe 12 points, then head to the downside. So yeah, for the US, yeah, for I think London there is nothing. CPI, that's very hard. But I don't know how Jerome Powell will be doing these days. Actually, the price in the DAX is moving barely. Another level here. Maybe if the price goes below this, then I will go short. I don't want to buy gold today. Actually, yesterday from this level there was some selling pressure. We pushed the price like 60 points to the downside. Hopefully, these sellers who was here yesterday will be here today as well. Yeah, there is a core CPI and CPI. But actually, I'm not going to trade the news. I will wait for like 5 to 10 minutes after the open to take any trade in case. Yeah, there is a pre-open 9:30 or let's say 8:30 in the US. Hopefully we can get some school run here so I can add to this position. To move my stop loss back to this high here. I feel like I'm trading in slow motion. Price is just not doing anything. Okay, this is the fourth 5 minute. Price is trying to go back to the zone. We have 2.5 minutes for the close of this. Hopefully it will close with some wick at the top. To close like negative, so we'll have some confidence to add one more contract. Okay, so the gold is falling back to this little trend. I will take this selling case price close below. bigger. I really don't know what's going on the world. There is very ugly news everywhere. The war with Iran, problem with Venezuela, Israel with Iran, Jerome Powell case, gold is in all-time high, which means there is troubles, and the market like moving like nothing happening. Keeps on closing like an all-time high every day. She's weird. So I'm thinking once the real crash will start, it will be so ugly. Yeah, I heard the DAX is trying to push back again. I think today just will be a quiet day, I think. No real movement. Because maybe they are waiting for the CPI. That's why before the big news, we always expect the market to be a little bit quiet, except if there is some inside traders that they knows the outcome of the news before it happens, so you can see some moves before the news, but normally it's a little bit quiet. Hopefully it will not be a piano pattern today. Maybe I will give it one more 5 minutes to see what's going on here. Or else I will just turn to the gold and maybe just scalp it quickly. The DAX is recovering, going back again up to the zone. We really need a breakout from this level here. Some really good closing below this. That will confirm that the price will really head lower a little bit. Actually, yesterday my recovery from the US session was like epic. It was very stressful, but it was fruitful. I don't know what's going on with this FTSE. It's only ranging, making somehow a little bit of higher highs, but it's all fake. All the closings was same level. You might short it if the price goes down to this side here. Let's see what is the size of the contract here. Okay, it's 10, so how much price is moving actually here? 17. So it might go for like 2 contracts, 0.2. think for the gold, this is a good sell here. Because actually this pullback here goes up and go quickly back to visit this level. I'm thinking there will be a breakout. Let's revisit maybe just below if I'm not mistaken. And our stop loss will be just maybe somewhere above here. And the best thing to do is to short gold. When it's crashing, it's really paying off so fast. But while going up, actually, it's not going up like going down. Right now I'm wrong in the gold, was not able to break this this level here. You can see the reaction of this candle here, and yeah, it's pushing back up. Which is actually was good trade if we if we go long here. But it's okay. Actually, what makes me take short here is this movement, like $5 to the downside, and the price did not follow up after this leg here. I thought maybe this second push to the downside will break, but did not, and price keeps going up. Will be stop out again, ugly. No problem, let's just stick with our ducks. I will just trade gold later on. What happened to the ducks? It's stuck in between like 20 points for almost half an hour, 25 minutes. Hopefully this scenario will be same like yesterday. As we can see here, the price moved just the first 10 minutes, consolidate for some time, then just keep going higher. So hopefully today was this move down, consolidation, then moving down. So let's wait and see. I was expecting the gold to keep going down because there is lower low here, another low, another low. So, and this looks like cup and handle, but it failed, I think. Just give it more time. Maybe I will just stick with my plan of this level here, really the closing below this price, which is 45.8. Actually, nothing to see here. It's so quiet and so boring. Maybe I will just stop trading and wait for my alert here. The DAX is going back to the zone. Maybe it's planning to make another all-time high today again. So I'm not going to leave it go to my stop loss. I will just see if there is any rejection in this 5 minute or in the next 5 minutes if I see some push to the downside, or else I will just take my loss and do something else until the US market open, or in case the price of the gold goes down, then I will be shorting it. There's a really nice gap here from the weekend. I'm not going to target that, it's a little bit so far. So I will just go for half of that. Actually, this 5 minutes will tell me if I'm going to stay in this position or no. It's very low volume. And it's shrinking after every 5 minutes, getting lower and lower. I think the gold is not looking back. We have, I think, 2 more minutes to go for this 5 minutes. The session becoming very boring. Trading while you feel boring is the worst thing to do. Yeah, the price is already like frozen. It's like we are trading in the overnight. Okay, this is the last minute for this 5 minute. Price is just doing nothing. And we're almost 30 minutes into this live. Feeling sleepy. I think we took some loss today, which is 28. Plus the not realized loss of 17. We are still far from our daily limit that I increased actually recently to around 60, 70 because we already have some profit buffer from the week. I think this session will be just flirting around the same prices, and I can't see any follow-up to the upside nor downside. We are still inside the opening range, so I think the best thing to do is just to do something else. I think the gold is pushing to the upside, maybe revisit this level again. $4,600. Maybe $5 to go. DAX is pushing to the downside. Hopefully it will continue. It will go through this congestion zone. Shall we just move my stop loss to this level in case just get out from here? Might take profit because of this low movement. I think I will just make it in this low here. Let's wait. Just now we start seeing a little bit of movement. Hopefully it will continue to the downside. This was so tricky. Crash to the downside, consolidation, push up with a huge candle, turn around immediately. So any closing here, that will be really another leg to the downside. Let's wait for this 5 minutes to close. Hopefully it will close very bearish. Hopefully to engulf this zone here. There's a few more seconds to go, 30 seconds. That's nice closing. Maybe after like, let's say 10 points, I will add one more position. I think this was a manipulation for the retail to think that the overnight low was holding. Then they will get more buyers into this move here, then dump on them. So maybe that was manipulated because the volume is really low. That's a big jump. That's a big order. Thinking I will add one more position here. Even the spread is a little bit not helping to add in like small area, because half of your position will go to just spread. My stop will be just here. Let's see, we'll give it a few more minutes. If the price did not really go down, then maybe I will just close the second one and wait again. Actually, yesterday, you can see this move to the upside. The first major sell was at the price we enter. So there was a really big push to the downside, means there is some sellers in this level. And the price actually goes up and keeps going back to that side, and now we are almost there again. That gives high probability that the price will try to push again to this level, hopefully. What we are doing is just trying to find high probability setups and manage our risk. Don't lose much that will hurt your emotions and your focus. And once you feel annoyed, just get out of trading. And that's it. Right, 45 minutes after the open. Some buyers trying to come back again in this level. Take profit for this position as well. Let's just target this level here in case. Our positions, both of them are turning sour. So they still the same price. FTSEs did not make any new high, as well as the DAX. Should I start feeling bored? I'm thinking just to end the live and I will just manage this offline. I will just maybe give it some time and watch this level. So we'll have a coffee and relax and look at it time to time. Then I will update you on the US session. I will update you what happened to this position, where did I close, what if I close with a loss, profit, or whatever. Thank you, brother, for being here. Just confirm for me today if we are going to have the video call or the call at night. Just let me know and message me on Telegram. We'll wait for you to reply because of latency. Anyway, I will message you on Telegram. Thank you for being here, and see you in the evening again for the US session. Take care.